I'll be showing you how to connect a Bluetooth device to your Google Pixel tablet. Now for this specific tutorial, we're going to be connecting this Bluetooth speaker to the Pixel tablet. So the first thing you want to do is obviously make sure the speaker is on. Now different speakers have different ways of turning them on, okay, or switching them on. Now this one is a JBL Flip 6, and all you have to do is press the power button and then put the speaker in Bluetooth pairing mode. So just for this speaker, just a simple press on the Bluetooth button will put it in pairing mode. Now different Bluetooth speakers might have different ways of putting them in pairing mode. Find how to do it on your speaker, and then once your Bluetooth speaker is in Bluetooth pairing mode, go to settings. Under settings, go to connected devices, and then you should see the Flip 6 detected. If not, just tap on pair new device, and then it's going to find the JBL speaker. Tap on it, and then it's going to ask if you want to pair with that Bluetooth speaker. If you want to allow access to your contacts, you can do that, but for me, I'll leave it the way it is, and then tap on pair, and there you go, it's connected. Okay, and you can tell it's connected even by looking at the Bluetooth button on my speaker. It says connected, and you can actually see here it says connected and also active. So now I can go ahead and play my audio. I can watch YouTube videos or listen to music through Apple Music or whichever other music service, maybe Spotify or YouTube Music, and have the output to my Bluetooth speaker. So currently I'm playing a song, but this song is playing through this Bluetooth speaker. Obviously I have the volume all the way down for copyright reasons, but if you're playing music through your Bluetooth speaker and then you want to change to maybe the dock, all you have to do is go to settings, go to sound, and then look for the music that's playing. Mine is playing through Apple Music, so it's gonna ask me that, and then I can choose to play the music via the tablet by just tapping on tablet. If I have the tablet docked on the speaker, on the tablet dock, then I'll have the option to choose dock here, and that's how you can switch between the different devices when playing music. So that's basically how to connect a Bluetooth speaker and most other Bluetooth devices to your Pixel tablet. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.